Hi, Alex. Good morning. What are you working on?
Oh, hi, Jamie. I'm learning some Tibetan greetings. Did you know that in Tibetan, they say Tashi Delek?
Tashi delay.
For hello? Tashi Delek? That sounds cool. How do you say it again? Tashi Delek.
Tashi delay.
Tashi Delek. Does it sound okay? Perfect. That's how you greet someone in Tibetan now. Let's try good morning. It's also Tashi Delek. Good morning, Iqbal Tashi Delek. Got it? Wait, how do you say goodbye? Goodbye is Shuk Danja. Goodbye, Shuk Danja. Okay, now for introductions. In Tibetan, to say my name is you say Gai Ming Ming Yin. Gai Ming Ming Yin. Gai Ming Yin. That's interesting. Can you show me? Sure. My name is Alex in Tibetan. Gai Ming Alex Yin. Gai Ming Alex Yin. Gai Ming Jamie Yin. Perfect. Let's switch. Ask me my name. How do I ask in Tibetan? What's the phrase? You say Kedrong Ming Gang Yin. Kedrong Ming Gang Yin. Kedrong Ming Gang Yin. Is that right? Exactly. Now try it with me. Kedrong Ming Gang Yin. Alex Yin. Your turn. Gai Ming Jamie Yin. To go. Remember, goodbye is Shuk Danja. Shuk Danja, Alex. I'll practice and see you next time. Shuk Danja, Jamie. And don't forget Tashi Delek for hello.
In Tibetan, how are you? Is Kairang Pusu Debo Yimbai. Kairang Pusu Debo Yimbai. Kairang Pusu Debo Yimbai. That's right. To respond, you say, I'm fine, Ngadebo Yin. Ngadebo Yin. Ngadebo Yin. Did I say it correctly? Yes, if you're not well, you say, I'm not well. Ngadebo Mindung. Ngadebo Mindung. Ngadebo Mindung. I'm getting the hang of this.
And don't forget to say thank you, Tuk Chair.
Took the chair, Alex, for being my teacher today. Took the chair, Alex, for being my teacher today. Took the chair, Alex, for being my teacher today. They both beam a like tuneful duet, weaving Tibetan phrases into a cheerful melody. Took the chair, gratitude in every